Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lady of the Fro. How you doing? Welcome back, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this hairstyle. It's easy. This is a Bantu knot out, and I just styled it like this. This is fresh, it's cute for your dates, you know, whatever Valentine's event you have. It's a cute style that you can rock. It's so pretty. So easy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Like, what are you waiting for? If you're not subscribed, let me tell you, I make fun, amazing natural hair content. Show me some love by subscribing. Okay, alright. Why am I so extra, guys? I'm so hyped. I don't know why. Let's get into this video. So I'll be starting this hairstyle on stretched hair. I stretched my hair by putting them into cornrows, and this is the end result. And I'm just dividing my hair so that I can start my Bantu knots. So I'm going to divide my hair into medium sizes, and I'll be using my Afrobynature definition curl maker. This is what the consistency looks like. It's a gel, and I'm massaging that into my hair, and I'm going to use a brush so that my curls can be activated. So guys, when you're doing your Bantu knots, you want to start twisting the hair, wrapping it around itself from roots, and then you're going to turn it around itself. I'll show you guys a closer illustration. Massaging the curl maker, brushing my hair. So I'm twisting my hair and I'm leaving a little space, and I'm just using my finger as a guide, and I'm just going around that knot I created on my finger. And as I do that, I'm also wrapping my hair like so. I'm tucking it in when I get to the end. I keep wrapping, and when I get to the end, I just tuck it in like that. That's basically it, guys. When you're doing your Bantu knots, you can't make it too tight. You have to leave an inch of space, and then you just twist your hair as you roll it round in knots. It's real easy, guys. Once you do the first one and the second one, you get the hang of it. Applying my product, detangling my hair with my brush, and wrapping my hair.
Yeah, baby, can I be your man? Baby, can I be your man? Can I be your man? Can I be your man? Can I be your man?
Keep twisting it as you get to the bottom, twist it around itself, and then tuck it in. So guys, sometimes you discover that some of them might loosen up. Maybe your hair is not long enough. You can use a bobby pin to secure it. It's real easy. I'm all done, and I'm gonna tie my satin scarf and go to bed. Yep. Let it all dry till the next day. So guys, it's the next day, face is beat, and I'm ready to unravel these Bantu knots. This is what it looks like. Everything is dry, and I'm taking my oil to help me with this process. And I'm just trying to find the tail of the Bantu knots, and I'm just unraveling it gently. And guys, did you see that bounce? Did you see that bounce? Look at that shine, guys. Ooh. I'm happy about the result. Like, I like the way it came out, and I used just one product. That's what I'm doing. Find the tail of the hair and just unwind it, unravel it gently.
You will never have to weep with me. I'll be the happiness that moves your heart, and when you sleep I'll find my way into your dreams. What do you want from me? Like magic,
unraveling. As you can see, I'm using my fingers as well to just coil it around it. This is what everything looks like. It's all out, and now I'm going to further separate them using my castor and argan oil, and I'm gently separating it and looking for an opening. Like, I look at my hair and see where there's an opening, and I just follow that natural separation. You get, like, I don't just automatically like yank it open myself. I look at where my hair wants to open, and I just follow her. I follow how. What am I saying, guys? But you get the point. Yes. I just look for where the hair separates, and then I twirl around my finger so that I can maintain the curl and not get in frizz, because I don't know, my hair always has frizz. But yeah, I'm just trying to minimize frizz by twirling it with my fingers. You could be my African queen, I'll be your too, baba. You are not alone. Like magic, the beauty of this hairstyle is in the bounciness of the curls, so you want to try and maintain it so you don't, all that hard work of the Bantu knots won't be for nothing. So you just have to be gentle with it. Take your time to unravel. Don't rush the process. As you can see, I'm looking at how my hair naturally divides, and I'm just following it, like I said. As you can see, my hair is looking fuller as I separate the curls, and the hair is beginning to take shape. So I'm done unraveling, and this is what everything looks like so far, and I think it's cute. I can actually rock this hair like this, and I'm taking my Afro comb and I'm now using it to create volume. I'm using it to fluff my hair from the roots, just to give it that voluptuous look, that fuller look. So what the Afro pick does, and it helps like cover the spaces and the gaps in your hair as well. And I'm also using my fingers to also separate them. The Afro comb and my fingers are my tools for the unraveling process. This is what my hair looks like after fluffing it with the Afro comb. And now for the style, I'm just doing an updo. Real easy, guys, real easy. Taking one bobby pin, pinning it to the side to lift it up, and I'm repeating the same thing on the other side, like so. I'm just using my hands to like make it look perfect. Ooh, I like this. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section. I got you, okay? Love you, bro. I got you. I'm listening to you guys. Until next time, bye guys.